Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a rear brake caliper. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands with wheel chocks in place. Gather all necessary tools, including a socket set, wrench, brake fluid, and a torque wrench. Before lifting the vehicle completely, remember to loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you'll be working on. This makes removal much easier later. With the wheel off, you can clearly see the rear brake caliper. Begin by carefully disconnecting the brake line. Be ready for some fluid to drip. Next, detach the parking brake cable from the caliper assembly. Finally, use the appropriate socket to unbolt the two caliper mounting bolts. These are usually located on the back of the caliper bracket. Once unbolted, the old caliper can be removed. Hey everyone, if you're finding this step-by-step guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. And on another note, is your car smelling a little less than fresh? Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, it's time to install your new caliper. Carefully position it over the rotor and thread in the mounting bolts. Torque these bolts to the manufacturer's specifications for safety. Reconnect the brake line, ensuring a tight seal, and then reattach the parking brake cable. The final crucial step is to bleed the brake system thoroughly to remove any air that entered during the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.